Good afternoon, and it's a rainy Sunday afternoon, and I picked up some ingredients from work, some wheels off of trolley jacks, bit of, I don't know what we're calling that, 4mm plate steel, and a bit of 5mm bar, and I thought, do you know what, I'll try and make something today. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stick some of these bits together and hope that I end up with something that is usable at the end. Hopefully that's enough. Hopefully this plate's still strong enough. It should be. There's no flex in that. Beautiful. It's got to take a bit of weight. There's a clue. So the surfaces have been prepared as much as they're going to be, and just got to get the welder ready and start doing some welding. It's the trouble with using these little hobby bottles of gas. They do tend to run out rather quickly. Right, swap that over and carry on. Can you guess what it is yet? Can ya? Can ya? Right, let's try again. Can you guess what it is now? Yes! Roller skates! Marvellous! What an invention. The welding's not getting any better. Anyway, let's stick a couple of braces on that and see if it works. Bloody run out of gas again. A lot of crackling and popping. Anyway, there we go. Hopefully it'll take at least a couple, if not 300 kilos. That's a fat person roller skate. Anyway, let's get it into position before I bother painting it. Will I bother painting it? Probably. I'm just that sad. But yes, that's really hot. There you go. Can you guess what it is yet? Okay, so what it's actually for is, has it cooled down enough? I think so. A stand dolly. So I can manoeuvre the bike around the shed, because I'm finding it difficult with the beast. No, I want some more machining. Once that top edge taken off, let's chop that off and see where we get to. Right then, top down roller skate. Hold on, top down roller skate. Attempt number 2. somewhere there. And then, can you just move that camera forward, please? Turn it into the bike a little bit. Yeah. Well, it takes the weight. Well, that's a bit easier.
Are you sure?
There you go. One homemade centre stand dolly. 38 pence. Well, 38 pence and 6 quid's worth of welding. Unbelievable. Anyway, it works. No more trying to drag this thing around. Excellent. 2R. Just couldn't leave it as it is. So a quick coat of tough black just to beautify it and disguise some of the welding. Anyway, it works. Ta-ra.